This comes in this building called Babulal Pride, and so you have to come like this, and that comes in fifth floor. It's a very huge shop. His shop is absolutely massive. It's a big shop, and he's a wholesale dealer in jeans and shirts and casual pant. Absolutely amazing, stunning business he's having. So you have to come like this, and you have to go in the lift. So this is the lift, and you have to go in fifth floor. And so his office comes in fifth floor. So right now I'm going there. So just check it out, this Pinky Cash and Carry, and he's a wholesale dealer in jeans, pant and shirts. Absolutely he's a massive dealer in all these things. And this comes in fifth floor. And the timing of the shop also, I told you, it's Monday to Saturday morning 8 o'clock till night 8 o'clock, Monday to Saturday. And Sunday it's open morning 8 o'clock till afternoon 12 o'clock. And you can just check it out, he's a wholesale dealer in jeans. All types of jeans he's going to give you, amazing colors, beautiful colors. Whatever color you want, he has. Whatever size you want, he has. And just check it out, this shop, absolutely massive, super massive shop. And this looks like a mall, not like a shop. And this is one of the biggest shops. Just check it out, absolutely massive shop. So many jeans, complete. This is all jeans. And he has formal pants, all types of size he's having, an absolutely quality one. Just check it out. These all are the formal pants, and he's having all types of colors. And the quality is absolutely fantastic, and he's into this business from past many years. And you can just check it out, all types of formal pant colors he has, and he has amazing jeans. This is a massive shop, you can just check it out. And this is the front desk, you can just check it out. This is the front desk, so whenever you come here you can meet these people. They're in charge of Pinky Cash and Carry. And just check it out, massive huge shop, jeans, wholesale dealer in jeans, casual pants, shirt, and whatever type of jeans you want, he has everything. Just check it out, whatever type of jeans you want, he has everything. And I personally love this. He's he's giving you for wholesale price, quality jeans he's giving you for wholesale price. Just check it out, absolutely massive. And this all are the customers who are coming here. And this all are the customers, workers who are coming here. And people from all over the world, they come here to buy jeans. People from all over the world, they come to buy jeans over here. And just check it out, absolutely massive. He has all types of collection, and I personally loved it. Huge shop. And this is personal cabin, and the owner name is Mr. Prakash. And just check it out, amazing. This is the personal cabin, and he's Mr. Prakash. So whenever you come here, you can meet him. And this is personal cabin. Whatever you want to discuss, you can discuss here. An absolutely beautiful office, you can just check it out, amazing office. And just check it out, this is all the stock he's having. So whatever kind of jeans you want, whatever kind of color you want, whatever kind of quality you want, he has each and everything. Amazing, beautiful color jeans. I personally loved it. He's a wholesale dealer, so come to his shop, and I'm sure you're going to love it.
ब्लू कलर है, फुल पंकी है, देख लो। ये सब साइज आता है 28 से 34 आता है, हैवी बड़ा साइज भी आता है, 36 से 40 भी मिलता है।
Amazing jeans, just check it out, tone jeans. And also this patches is just check it out, amazing. I personally loved it.
ये ब्लैक में ब्लू शर्ट है, इसमें साइज सेम आता है, 28 से 34 आता है।
Amazing designs he's having, beautiful designs, lot of type of jeans.
ये ग्रे कलर देखो, फुल स्टिच है,
अमेजिंग क्वालिटी।
इसमें हैवी पंकी सब है।
और ये सब होलसेल प्राइस में है ना?
हाँ, होलसेल प्राइस में है।
और सब होलसेल प्राइस में, एवरीथिंग इज होलसेल प्राइस। जस्ट चेक इट आउट, वाव, ब्यूटीफुल जीन्स। And just check it out, this, wow, it's not toned too much also. The tone pattern is also, minimum, which looks absolutely fantastic.
ग्रे कलर है, इसमें साइज आता है 28 से 34 आता है, 30 से 36 आता है। ये ब्लैक रेडो के नाम से है। ये ब्लैक में ब्लू शेड है, माफिया नाम से है। इसमें साइज सेम आता है, 28 से 34 है, 30 से 36 भी आता है। ये जिंगर ब्रांड है, इसमें भी साइज सेम आता है, किसमें 30 से 36 आता है, किसमें 30 से 34 आता है। टेक्नो 4 न्यू माल 4 है एकदम, 28 से 34 आता है, 30 से 36 भी आता है इसमें भी। ये ब्लैक शेडिंग है, रॉयल लुक ब्रांड के नाम के आता है। इसमें साइज 28 से 34 आता है, 30 से 36 आता है। ब्लू कलर, ब्रांड नाम का है। इसमें साइज 28 से 34, 30 से 36 आता है। ये टेरू ब्रांड है। इसमें साइज 30 से 36 आता है। इसमें बिग साइज भी मिलता है 36, 38, 40।
Just check it out how many jeans he's having. Your eyes will get tired by seeing the jeans. So many jeans, thousands of designs, thousands of patterns. So whatever you want, come to Pinky Cash and Carry. One shop for all the jeans. Massive jeans dealer he is. He's into this business for many years. And just check it out, his shop, absolutely huge, so big. I think this is a at least 10-15 shops can come inside this. So massive, and this is also his shop, like you can tell shop only. Very big shop, lot of types of jeans, and so definitely come here, and I'm sure you're going to absolutely love it.
फोर वे लाइक रहा है। 28, 34 आता है, 30 से 36 आता है इसमें। ये पिंक कलर है, इसमें भी सेम साइज आता है। फुल लाइक रहता है। इधर मैरून 28, 34 आता है, इसमें सेम साइज सेम आता है। ब्लू कलर, इसमें 4-5 ब्रांड है। आउटलुक है, 3X है, कारा है।
So before I wrap up the show, I just want to tell that this place is absolutely fantastic for jeans, absolutely massive place for jeans and casual pants. And so I highly recommend you people to come to this shop, and I'm sure you're going to absolutely love it. And I'm going to meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.
Admissions 2025 now open.